I'm Chris Harding. I'm the Open Group Forum Director for Open Platform 3.0. The Open Group is a consortium of companies that make or use information technology products and services, and who want those products and services to be open and interoperable. Open Platform 3.0 is our initiative to help enterprises gain business benefit from new technologies, including cloud computing, social computing, mobile computing, big data analysis, and the Internet of Things. For the Internet of Things, our vision is that it should be the way that the Internet is. That's to say, with the Internet, you can go out to a shop round the corner and buy a router, buy an access point, plug your PC into it, and it will all work. We are not there with the Internet of Things. Sensors and controls have different interfaces to each other, and the controllers for them don't work together. So we want to change that. We've been involved with the Internet of Things for a few years. We started doing the standards work arising from an EU project called Promise, which was investigating lifecycle management in the context of the Internet of Things, and following that we produced a standard messaging interface and a standard data format. We're now a partner in another EU project called Biotope, which is looking at how a market might be established on the basis of those standards for the Internet of Things. And it's looking particularly in the context of smart cities and smart vehicles. So, for example, if you were driving your smart car into a smart city, you might hope that between them they'd be smart enough to find you a parking space. You wouldn't want to be restricted to only the parking spaces available to your manufacturer of car. You wouldn't want to be restricted to those provided by a particular parking company. You'd want an open market from which you could select your parking spaces. Standards enable markets, and that's a basic principle that we want to see applied in the Internet of Things.